Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. My name is Unontobeko Wakangubane. If you're new to this channel, please hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so whenever I upload, you'll be the first one to know. Guys, Anisho ngempela. Why nenzenje? Guys, I share my phone number here to make it easy for anyone who wants to donate to the channel with regards to equipment, with regards to traveling. It's very easy to just transfer with a phone number to a Capitec. If you have a Capitec account, if you have a phone number, it's very easy. But you guys are abusing it. You guys are phoning me. You guys are phoning me and telling me about my issues on TikTok. I have no personal vendetta with Usthembiso Khomo, and I love his TikTok page. I always go to ama-live akhe ngilalela ukuthi khona bani, especially mekhona nabaholi bethu be-MK party mebezile lapha uzoshare izinto ku-live wakhe. But guys, please, I am not going to share my problems at MK. Yes, I will share some. But you guys are phoning me. Put on the live. No, guys, no. I know some problems with party. I know some problems with party, but I am not going to share them on this channel. No. I am not going to share them on this channel because it would be unfair. If I was to share my problems, I can't say let's say Northwest. Ngizoshare nini respond to from SG wethu. Ngizoshare kanjani? Because now, if I'm sharing ukhansela, ngithi ukhansela uthi ngo-SG, u-SG needs to respond. To make it fair, u-SG needs to respond. Zomthatha phi mina uFloyd ukuthi respond. Yabo, it would be unfair. And ilana, guys, sipusha i-program yomkhonto, sipusha i-campaign yomkhonto. Guys, we're going to 2026. We are going to 2026, and we need each and every vote. Okay? We need each and every vote. Guys, please, aniphumen go live. Aniphumen ezinkingeni ezifika nabantu ukuthi kunenkinga lapha nalapha. No. Asithembeni leadership. Asithembeni leadership. Nami khona izinto engekho happy ngazo ezenzeka ku-MK. Zikhona, ziningi. But you're not gonna see me coming here to the channel and get guys, this is what happened. Yabo, khonto eyenzeke kwi-event e-MK. Kuningi okwenzakalayo engekho happy ngako, but I'm not going to come to the channel and say that. Le channel lena ngayicreatela ukuthi ngifuna ukuphusha i-mandate ka-President Jacob Zuma. Ngifuna ukuphusha ukupromotha i-MK party kule platform ya YouTube. Yes, it's a tough platform. It is a very tough platform, especially just on TikTok. More people love to be on TikTok rather than to YouTube. But guys, please, lana sopusha imandate yomkhonto, sizopusha imandate yomkhonto sithi gwaza mkhonto.
Ngibingelela usihlalo nendlu amalungu onke eParliament.
Yes, girl.
Akukuningi engizokhuluma kodwa nje thina njenge MK sesikhathele ukulalela inganekwane. Indaba yensumansumane esikhathele yona. Ilokhu esizokucela kakhulukazi uShamthetho seParliament nabaholi. Siyacela kakhulu ukuthi ke kusetshenziswe ulimi lwebele. Ngoba lapho siphuma khona asizizelanga lana sithunyiwe. Emasifike emakhaya sikhuluma ngolimi lwebele noma ngabe iluphi udlanga. Kodwa singafika lawo sesithole sikufunayo abasasiza ukuthi sithini. Sesiyagweteza. Sesikhuluma izinto esingavumelananga nazo ngabo. Masabancengile size siqashe imoto siyobathutha sibabuyisele ngoba sincenga amavoti. Kodwa mase benivotele anisabazi nokuthi bawobani. Siyacela ukuthi ulimi lebele sisetshenziswe kakhulu noma ngabe uliphi udlanga. Ngisho abamhlophe emabefika endaweni zasemakhaya babhidilisha ukuthi bakhuluma isiZulu noma bakhulumele lo dlanga ngoba suke befuna ivoti. Siyacela ke ukhulumeni ukuthi ulimi lebele ke sisetshenziswe kakhulu. Yebo akufundwe ngesingisi kwenzela ukuthi abamhlophe basiphambi njengoba beniphamba nje benimuca izwe lene ezandleni bese niyabavumela. Kodwa nje asisukuvumela lokho. Ingane zethu azazi ngemvelaphi yethu. mhlambe babuntuli nje ngizosho wangakithi mhlambe mangakubuza baba kakhokho wakho nje awumazi abaningi mangababuza obaba bokhokho babo lababazi kodwa mangabuza la uMr Kruger nginaye ekomdini mhlambe ngakutshela ngisho ngaye ngoba nginaye ekomdini la small business baningi abangababuza ngemvelaphi labangayazi asebesebenzisa kakhulu ulimi labamhlophe yikho ke niphambeka nje kodwa lelizwe solisebenzela kuze bephakade thina umkhonto wesizwe ngoba yizwe lethu izwe lobabamkhulu salijulukela balijulukela sazi ngishamanci wabo manganibuza ngamunye ukuthi babamkhulu kwafela ngeke ungitshele uzongitshela enye into ngoba usasetshenziswa kakhulu wathengeka noma ngabe izindlu zodaka kodwa kusekhaya la.
I am so proud of Honorable Umama Udelisile Ntshaba from KwaXimba. Yes, guys. Oh my goodness. Wazakhuluma kahle Umama Ntshaba. I am so proud of her. I first met her kwi-rally yokuqala ye-MK Party KwaXimba last year, January. Leah hostwa Honorable Uthulani Gamede. Guys, oh, that was one of the best events. I met her again we unveiling yeche yenkosi umlaba. I think that was I think a few weeks before the event yasemabhida first anniversary. I met her there. She is a beautiful lady and umama and ekubeni umama, she's a strong woman politically. And kwangijabulisa ukuthi she made it kwi-list eParliament. Yes, we need ama-leaders ethu eParliament ukuthi akhulume ngolimi lolu esincela ebeleni kubazali bethu, because if uyahamba uyocampaigna e-Eastern Cape, for example, uyahamba uyocampaigna e-Eastern Cape ukhulunywa isiXhosa. Angisho ukuthi uma beya kwi-podium kuma-debates funa bayakhuluma isiXhosa or ukhuluma isiZulu or ukhuluma isiTswana or ukhuluma isiPedi. No, but don't just speak English right through. That is what I'm trying to say. Yabo, fika nje ne-speech sakho prepared isiZulu esiqinile isiZulu, because uyahamba ufike la kubantu ucampaign ukhuluma ngesiZulu, awufiki ukhuluma nge-English. Uma uya kuma-campaigns ufike ukhuluma nge-English ngoba no ukhuluma ngesiZulu ufele KZN. And even ngisho umlungu uyabhidilisha zama ukukhuluma ngesiZulu to relate to ama-voters. So why sebeseParliament singasafuna ukukhuluma isiZulu? I really loved her speech. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching, guys, and thank you so much for not skipping the ads. Some of you guys are still still skipping the ads. Why are you still skipping the ads? And why are you not subscribing to this channel? Why? I will definitely see you on my next one. Bye.